Welcome. In this video, I am going to explain to you how to use HP LaserJet Pro MFP M126nw all-in-one printer. This is printer, scanner, copier. This is the input tray. This is the output tray. This is the cartridge. Close this cover. And this is the area to take Xerox, right? So I am going to explain this printer first. See here. So initially you will get ready option that indicates your printer is in ready mode. So here this is Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi which is under active. This is menu button. If you press, you will get a menu, HP setup menu, and if you use this right arrow, the menu will go one step forward, and if you press left button, one step backward. So to bring back the original screen, that is ready mode, you have to press this back key. If you press this back key, you will get a ready mode. This is the green button which allows you to take Xerox, right? This is the button which allow you to take number of copies. If you press this, you will get like this screen. So here default there will be a 1. If you press one right button, it will indicates 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to 99 pages you can take. So if you want to decrease, you have to press left button. So this will get decreased. After selecting this, then you have to press OK. You have to wait little bit moment. So now which is ready. Now if you press this green button, you will get a number of copies as per your settings. Then if you bring back to normal position, you have to press this int button, right? See now which is in ready mode, right? So this is the button which is make the printer to give dark or light. If you press this button, you will get a option like this. The center button indicates which is the default, that is both dark and light in between which is available now. If you press this right button, it will increase the darkness, right? If you press the left button, it will decrease the darkness. So to bring back the original position, you have to press this in cross key, that is int key, right? So if you want to set the brightness or darkness or light, so press like this, press left arrow, you will get a what is the brightness less. If you increase the brightness more, you have to use the right button. So to bring the original screen, you have to press this in key, then you will get a ready mode, right? Then after that there is a key, there is a button which is called ID, to take ID. If you want to take ID, you need not to take ID and keep, you need not to insert a paper 2 times. Once if you keep the ID like this, right? So here, see here, I kept on ID, right? Keep like this, then press this button, you will get a copy menu ID, right? Now you press OK. Now once again you press OK. The first page which is reading. After this power LED gets stopped and exclamation light is getting blink, then you have to turn then you have to move and keep like this another place, then close the cover, then press once again this OK button, right? So which is reading, that is scanner is getting moved, right? After completing this, which is saying load third page. If you want to get one more ID card, means third and fourth, or otherwise if you want to take only one ID card, means simply press this green button, you will get a ID card Xerox. See here which is coming. I am going to show you. See here. So I am getting this ID card Xerox. So this is the way to take this is the way to use this HP LaserJet M126nw printer. M126nw printer. This is highly user friendly. This is having Wi-Fi also. Through your mobile you can give PDF format or otherwise photo format, that is image format. If you are having Word in your mobile, you can give the printout Word format also, Word, Excel, PowerPoint format also, based on your mobile software availability. This is the way to use this M126nw printer. Alright, very nice printer. You can use this printer efficiently and effectively. Have a nice day. Welcome.